about this is that me and my friends built a tall tower using marshmallows and toothpicks, and we appreciate that, and I thank Gamuda, and thank you.
That was wonderful, Bhavish, and this is part of the Minggu Science, so I'm sure you learned a lot about science today, right? Engineering. Yeah. Excellent. All right, would you want to participate in more?
Yeah, maybe I can call my friends if they
okay,
join.
Thank you so much.
Minggu Sains ini sangat seronok kerana saya dapat membina bangunan tinggi dengan saudara saya.
Hello, my name is Stanley. I am 11 years old. I love science. My favorite project is the building, because we can make friends and then we make the things not to fall. We can make the base and we can make any buildings like KLCC or the tall tower. And then my second favorite is the PV electric, because when we make that, we can make electricity in our house. We don't have enough, then we can put in a battery.
Hi, my name is Anastasia. I am 9 years old. I love science, and my favorite project is the fluffy slime, and even the tall building and the PV electric.